Hi everyone, today is Saturday and I don't have work. So I woke up late and I'm not in a hurry. But I realized that I have to prepare breakfast because my husband has work today. And because of that, wala ako naka-devotional time with God. So karon I'm struggling whether to sit still, pray, read the Bible, and write on my journal. But since na-warm up naman good ko, gusto pa ko nga ituloy-tuloy na lang akong gibuhat. And I was reminded of Matthew 6:33, "But seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." So I put on my glasses, reached out for my Bible, and read. Dali ara kayo sa oras oy alas 12 na di ay, so nagdali-dali ko og luto. Gilapuhanan ako ang talong, okra og itlog. Simple ra kaya mong sudan pero I'm sure da kan kay maipog ana diha.